It may be obvious that in this last 1 year, with the lockdown and the restriction which stopped people from group meeting and social gathering, people started meeting virtually and forming of WhatsApp group is a much accepted platform for one to express their feelings and concerns for one's fellow being. One such group was formed and named Kasur Upadba. This particular WhatsApp group did not end up in group chatting, but actually did something beautiful than one could think of. This group went to donate essentials and small financial assistance to few households who are in need. To name a few, in Sangriang and Nongknum areas, West Khasi Hills district.
Haka kerteng jong kasur upajba West Khasi Hills WhatsApp group. Bat naka benta jong kane hika kenhun. Ngipen pau ke jing sngau kemen benta kasngi. Kabang iyo banuan haka neka yeng jong kine ki kun swet. Haka bang iyo ban ai tang kum idak iba pau syabar. Ban pen pau bak kat omdei bang ngipen pau bakat no ngilak ban ai. Nrei ban pen pau bangi don kamen sim. Kum ka kenhun borok kawai wadla dangi don kidkhot ti jongi ki bomdei ki bariu spa karno ngakwa ban ai namar kata ya ka message bakani kadai ka message ka bang ikwa ban ai sya baro kito kidkhot jong kada WhatsApp group ka ba ngi klam don hakano ka bentan rei tangga wei kasur bat kata long kasur ka bami naka download jong wei pa wei dukhot bangin ya syakri para brio lengba kijing nos niang haki benta kiba per ba kanu kalong yeng long sem neu no riu simet ba ya kendo ya kijing udon kam ya kijing erap namar kata kaneka ke WhatsApp group kadai ka group kaba klem party klem kenhun niam klem kenhun seng balang ndrei ka group kaba ngikwa ban form ya ka hakadur ban le ya kikam irap isnei ya bar